Tired of painstakingly retyping your data just to get those capital letters? Let's dive into making that a thing of the past. First, let's open up your Excel spreadsheet. You'll likely have a column of text that's all in lowercase, and you want to convert it to uppercase. We're going to use a super simple formula to achieve this. Find an empty cell right next to the column you want to change. This is where our formula will live. In that empty cell, type the equals sign, followed by the word upper with an opening parenthesis. Then, click on the first cell in your lowercase text column. So, if your lowercase text starts in cell A1, you'll click on A1. Now, press enter. Boom, your text is instantly converted to uppercase. To apply this to all your other lowercase entries, simply grab the fill handle Y euro, that little square at the bottom right corner of the cell, double-click it. And there you have it. All your text is now in glorious uppercase. This is a massive time saver, especially for large datasets. You can now go back and delete the original lowercase column if you no longer need it, keeping your spreadsheet clean and consistent.